Child, I just be dying to buy. I love this life. Welcome back to our channel. In the last few weeks, I've gotten quite a few boxes, and as I was starting to put some of this stuff away, I was like, wait, hold on. Wait a minute. Bring it back. I need to share with my friends all the poor choices I made. So if you're interested in doing a couple mini hauls with me from different stores, stay tuned. Now the first unboxing is going to be Elizabeth Arden. This is a mini one. These are short and sweet little purchases, but they are things that I absolutely love or cannot wait to try out. I got the ceramide capsules. Let me tell you something, guys. This is one of the best investments you will ever get. I think this is the most repurchased skincare item I have had in the last 7 to 8 years. Actually, it was before Peyton, so I would say about 10 years. I love these capsules. Now they come in many different, there's different versions of it, but I always get the gold capsules. You just use one a day. You can use it in the morning or the evening. Personally, I love to use it in the morning because it gives you the most flawless, glossy, glass skin look you will ever see, and it stays. Like, you will have that skin looking like that for like a good half of the day, which I love. I got the 90 capsules. Again, you use one a day, so this lasts 3 months. I'm gonna tell you, I love these capsules because it really works into my skin really nicely and it gives a beautiful look. What I also love about Elizabeth Arden is they always give you a free gift. So it comes with this bag, which is something I could definitely use in my car, probably just to store like some hand cream, some hand sanitizer, maybe a little concealer, a little blush, a little mini mascara, just if you want to zhuzh up a little bit before you go somewhere. So this is a cute little storage bag to have. They did give me 3 travel size items in this package. It came with the 8-hour cream. Now this is the moisturizing hand cream. This is more of like a creamy base. This one is good, but let me tell you what is the bee's knees. The 8-hour cream original. Now this one is more of, let me show you what it looks like. So good, guys. And you want to know who taught me this? Auntie Wendy Williams. I will never forget when I was in high school, she used to talk about this. That's to tell you how old this is. It gives like a wonderful, do you see that? What that looks like? It gives a beautiful gloss. And when I tell you, this will last the full 8 hours unless you wash your hands, of course. But other than that, this will keep you really moisturized. This is not like your Bath and Body Works where, oh, it smells really nice and then like within 10 minutes you need some more. This is nice, thick, like, and it blends in well. It's not sticky. It's not going to be sticking to everything or make it oily. You just rub it in really well, but it does a great job. The other item that came for free is their lip balm. I've never used their lip balm. Full disclosure, I have very sensitive lips, so if ever I'm trying something new, I have to use it like exclusively for a week. Morning, noon, and night, nothing else, to make sure that I don't get eczema on my lips, because sometimes there's some sort of ingredient there that just does not agree with my lips, and then I end up getting like it almost looks like a fine rash on my lips, and I really don't like that. So I kind of get hesitant to try new things, but that did come with it. What is my favorite thing that came for free is they gave me a regular size of the 8-hour hand cream. This is my favorite. Full disclosure, you guys know that I am on LTK, for those of you that don't know, but what I will do is I will link all of these items below. My 2 favorites that I'm telling you have to try though is that 8-hour cream and of course the ceramide capsules. Let's go on to the next box. Let's talk about my newest favorite love, Monde Gourmand. Now I was watching, one of my Spellman sisters has a YouTube page. I cannot remember her name for the life. I think it's Jasmine Turner. I might be lying. She doesn't know me, but she's my sister. We both went to Spellman, so family immediately. I love her videos. She is a younger demographic than Mother, who is of a certain age, plus, you know, 40 plus, but she is like in her 20s. However, she does a lot of videos on like the importance of self-care, which I think is great, because I think we as Black women, we need to like really push this self-care just because, not because it's my birthday, not because it's Christmas. Like, I am buying my $200 cream that I know works well for my face because I'm deserving of it, just as my child is deserving of formula. Why? Because pouring into yourself allows you to operate as a better mother. Pouring into yourself allows you to operate better at work because you're taking care of yourself. All of that work you do, you've got to pour back into yourself, which is another video for another day. You know, mother could talk about that all day. But let's get into this. So she talked about 000, which is her perfume that she really likes from Monde Gourmand. And so I decided to go online and take a look. I purchased 2 at first. I purchased Chai Épicé, and I forget the other one that I did. I think it was Miel Bébé. I think those were the 2 first that I bought. And then I fell in love. And then I was like, okay, I have to buy more. So then I got the pistachio brulee. I got oh my God, Pétale if I may. Oh my God. Guys, that's my favorite one. Oh my God. All of them smell incredible. But anyways, I went onto the actual Le Monde Gourmand site because the first few that I purchased, I got from Ulta Beauty. Now I went onto their own site. They have several other scents. So of course, you know, sis have to get it. So let's get into it. I'll be smelling them for the first time with you guys. I have lots of perfumes, but I love to layer perfumes. I feel like it just gives you, I love to layer perfumes because you can have your own custom scent. So this first one I got is Mai Soufflé. Let's show you first. I love the packaging, such clean lines. You see how beautiful that is? Honestly, guys, honestly. All right, let's try. Oh my God. Yes, exactly what it, oh my God, this smells so good. So let me read you the notes. So Mai Soufflé has a top note of crispy apple, the mid note is popcorn, and the base note is whipped butter. So what I love about it is it's giving this kind of sweet tart smell, but then you have that buttery undertone. I've never smelled anything like this. Now this is something I would definitely pair with like an amber scent. Or even, yeah, I would do amber with this. I love, oh my God. And guys, let me tell you the best part of these perfumes that I'm gonna share with you. They're $25 each. And I love the size of them. They're so small, so it's okay if you're only getting, if you're getting one and you know, you just wanna try something new. I would tell you that I would suggest you go to Ulta Beauty. Ulta Beauty has quite a few of them in store. But if you're looking for a more expansive line of their scents, you have to go to Le Monde Gourmand's actual site. I will link all of them in my LTK though. The next one we have, God, I'm so excited. Miel Bourbon. Oh, stop, Nikki. Oh, I was on one when I got these. I knew exactly what I was doing. I don't. Ooh, this is giving middle-aged man, and I love it. Let's get into the notes. So the top note is bitter orange and smoked bourbon. Mid note is honey nectar, which I smell. It's like sweet, but there's a smoky scent to it. And then the base note is patchouli, one of my favorites. Oh my, guys, patchouli, amber, frankincense, oud. All of those are the bee's knees for me. Take yourself out on a date. Go to Ulta. You don't have to buy anything. Just start spraying some of the scents. Spray them on those little cards first. Never spray it on your skin first. Here's why. Smell it first. If you like it, don't just buy it. Smell it on your skin. Because now you want to make sure it aligns with your chemistry, right? You want to make sure there's alignment there. Smell it. Sit with it for a while. Walk around in the store with it. Get to know what you like. Because you may say, you know what, I really like fruity scents. I really like floral scents. Floral scents are not for me. They don't smell good on me. I love how they smell on others, but they don't smell for me. Smell good on me. That's why you have to get an idea of what really works well with your scent. I think I got one more. I got the hair mist. I thought that was fun. Shall I just be buying to buy? I love this life. I work hard. I deserve every second of it. I can't. This is Fig du Forêt. Let me see what it smells like. I'm so excited. I'm to spraying it in my hair one time. I can't wait. There's something I love in there, but there's something I'm questioning. Something I'm questioning. You know I'm always going to be honest. Okay, so this says fig, white tea, and sweet almond milk. I actually would love all of those, but there's something spicy in there. It almost has like a pepper smell. It smells... At first it smells good, but then it smells a little like I came from the gym and I didn't wear deodorant. Yeah, there's an armpit essence in there. That's not, it doesn't align with my ministry. That's fine. But that's why you want to try new things. That's going to be a return for me. Our last box, it's mangled, I know, but it is Sephora. They look like they were playing football with this box show. First, I got the Charlotte Tilbury Concealer. I've used this before. It is incredible. It literally blends it. Actually, I have a little bit of it just around here. I'm wearing very light makeup today, and you can see like I have it just around here, and I put a little under the eyes. It literally blends in perfectly with my skin, which I love. This is the first time I'm trying this one. I saw a few girlies with this and I'm excited about it. It's like an under eye treatment, and that's one thing that I don't have in my skin repertoire is under eye treatment. And as mother is starting to age like fine wine, we want to continue that same energy and make sure we're taking care of our under eyes, right? So this is called the Jet Lag Mask by Summer Fridays. Full disclosure, I have not tried it yet, but I will be trying it and I will let you guys know. Make sure you're following us on Instagram and TikTok because I typically will do reviews on there as well. And then I got the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. This is the first time I'm trying this. I've never tried it before, but I love their concealer so much, and their color corrector I'm also obsessed with. So I was like, you know what, being that they're having the sale, let's just go ahead and try that out. So I'm excited to try that because I heard that it really does give a really good flawless look. So let's see how that goes. Okay, the next thing that I am trying is, for the first time, the Summer Friday Lip Balm. Now, I know I told you guys I don't usually like to try new balms on my lips, but I have tried other products by Summer Fridays and it's went well. So I feel like I can tap into the lip balm and see how it goes. From what I hear, this is really good. As of now, my favorite, and I use it day and night. I don't care if it's a sleeping mask. The Laneige sleeping mask is heaven on earth. Okay, so this is not necessarily unboxing, but something I picked up yesterday at Saks Off 5th that I cannot wait to share, and I cannot wait to style. I'm so excited about it. So I saw another girl that I follow, because you know I'm here to support. Even if they have a bigger following than me, I'm going to push their channel because I love to see my black women doing their thing. Angel is another person that I follow that I absolutely love, and she was talking about going to Saks Off 5th, and I was like, you know, I haven't been to Saks Off 5th and I don't even know how long. Like, this is ridiculous. And why? I have questions. Guess what I found yesterday? Get into the texture. Do you see these gold buttons? How absolutely gorgeous they are. So when I style this, I envision it being styled in a few ways. So you can wear it for corporate. Nice collared button-down shirt, close fitting with a nice wide leg pant and some nice stiletto shoes. You could do like nice black pump, nice and classic. If you're going out with your friends, right, you're going out on a date, you can wear this blazer with a catsuit, like a one piece, right? You can also wear it with some denim jeans. I would say a nice mid wash, not like a light wash, not a super dark denim. I would do it with like a mid blue, and you can do a wide leg, you can do skinny jeans, wear with a nice high-end belt if you have that. If not, you could just wear it with a nice plain belt, and you could wear it with a bodysuit. So I appreciate you guys for staying with us until the end. Quick request, if you stayed this long, drop a blue heart in the comments. Also, let me know if you enjoy this content and if you'd like me to kind of do these random unboxings. If you want to see more unboxings, make sure you comment, give me more in the comments, and I'll be sure to do that. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys for staying with me. Until next time.